Oh, good day, guys. Welcome to Trendy channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how we can achieve this beautiful, barbing salon flyer, a unisex to be precise, using our Pixellab. Everything you're seeing here, everything was done on Pixellab. So, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to Trendy channel. On this channel, we discuss how to design with your phone using your Pixellab. So, just subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial. So let's just be brief. Let's just dive into the business of today as usual. So let's just dive into the tutorial for today. So you know how we normally do on this channel. Let me change the color, the background color to pure black, while I import the original design or use it as a map to follow up everything we are doing. So let's have it. Then let me import the original design. So please, I am really concerned about something. Some persons were complaining that each time I upload video, okay, please, if you normally get this thing notification each time I upload video, like there's always a notification in your phone that okay, Trendy will just upload so video. Please just do it to comment in the comment section of this particular video. Let me know, because some persons are complaining that they are not actually getting notification, and I think that's also happened as a result of you not subscribing, and at the same time not just subscribing but not turning on your notification bell. So when you subscribe, there's a bell there. You just click on the bell, you click on all. That all shows that anytime I upload any video, automatically you'll be notified. But if before now they normally notify you, you're always notified, please let me know. So now we've come with the black on this thing, the black background. So what I did was I downloaded another black background, though, to an extent. Just download something. So this is the video that will be coming up next for some persons, how to manipulate background like this. So that's the video that will be coming up next. So just stay tuned and subscribe to this channel to enjoy the benefits that comes with your subscription. So I decided to work with this background. I see. Then I increase the size, centralize it. Then I reduce the size a little bit so that it will not be that harsh. Just reduce the size to 70 as usual. So the first thing I did was to import the image of the guy barbing, and before I did that, I have already removed my background, download my image from Pinterest. So if you've been following me all this while, you will know when I mention Pinterest, it will not be a new thing to you again. So if this is your first time, do it to go back, subscribe, and watch some of my videos just to pick up. So now we are about to blend the image and the background. So tap on your draw, increase your pencil size, increase your smooth, increase sorry guys, come back now, baba. Increase your blur radius, then you tap anywhere on the screen. Just tap anywhere on the screen, you'll get this your blur, this thing. Let me change the color first so that you see what I'm doing. Now are you seeing? So all you need to do is to drag it a little bit, then drop it where you want to drop it, then you crop it. You crop it. So now when you're done cropping, all you need to do is to change the color to black, or that's just what you need to do. Just change all the color to black. Change it to black. change it to black. You can also copy again, you also drop it and change it to black. So quickly, let's enter the name of our Sammy. So the name is Sammy. To increase the size as usual, increase the size to 100. Then bring out our paddle so that we can create space, so that some of the text will not be chopped out. Go to our font. So the font I use is, this is the font I use. Are you getting me? That's the font. For those that want to download the font, that's the name of the font I used. So all I need to do was I positioned it very well. Then let me pick the color from the original design for the sake of time. So I picked that color. Then what I did was to copy again. Then I entered the unisex. Unisex Salon. Then at this moment I apply the principle of alignment. Apply the principle of alignment. So let's just apply the principle of alignment. Then I brought it down a little bit just to get that balance. Are you seeing? You can as well shift it down again if you're not really getting what you need. Okay, then these thing to enter your shape. Most of the truth is that most of us are always in a haste to send job to people without following proper guidance. Now, no matter how beautiful your job is, if your job is not aligned, it will not pass the intended message. Now, this is the essence of this sketch you're seeing here, and you use it as a tool. Set it like this. I know most of us don't really know the essence. Then this center, now you can just take it off. This place hue, it is called ruler. You use it to create a balance, so automatically whatever thing you're doing should revolve around this cycle. Nothing should exceed. That's one way you will learn balance. Then the second thing is to create your shape. Create your shape like this. I see. Then go to your gradients. Tap on the plus sign. Tap on the first thing. Tap on your color. Tap here. Choose the first color. Tap here also. Choose the second color. I see. Then you pick the third layer. If you are counting from your left, just choose it like that. Then what you do now, you lock it. Then you copy it again, but this time now you're not editing it in a different version. Then you increase your radius, just to get that blend. Now what you do is you change your you change your pattern of your pattern of setting of the layer. Then now you shift this side to here. So are you seeing? So all you need to do now is to import your image and the image of your hairdressing, this thing and the rest. So let me just quickly import them. Without wasting much time. So guys, please do it to encourage this channel by subscribing to this channel. Then use the size. Let's work with 2020, though I will not be importing I will not be importing a lot of image. Then you stroke it. I'll not be importing a lot of image because of time. I don't want this video to be lengthy. Just want to go straight to the point. So let me also import this other image. So if you're wondering, Sir Trendy, where can I download this image from? You know, the image would look sharp and the rest. So how can I download this? Where can I get them from? You can all this image. They were all downloaded from Pinterest. As a graphic designer, if you don't have Pinterest, I think you're making a big mistake. Not really to glorify anything or to reduce your design creativity, but the truth is it will help your journey as a graphic designer. There are times you go out of creativity, that's the truth. So you just go there, watch other people's design and also learn new things while you continue your journey. So the truth is I won't be importing all the image for the sake of time, but this is how the image are being imported. Then you increase your stroke, make it straight, then you centralize it. Align it very well. Are you getting me? Align it very well. Then you can do that. Yeah. The remaining part of your design, you can do that. So now let's go to the next scene. Then you enter your address there. Let's enter our services. Just reduce the size, drop it at the middle there. Then now let's import the services and the phone number. So are you seeing? These are the services and what the phone number. So this is I just imported them. Now if you're wondering how did I create this shape that I use in the outline, now this is how I was able to do it. So just enter your shape, select your shape here, click on this shape. Where's that shape? This shape. Now just reduce it so it's smallest. Then you rotate it to 50. Then let me drop it where you can see it. Are you seeing that it's not facing this direction? So that's how I was able to do that. So guys, this is how we are able to achieve our design. So guys, please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you.